Immigration visa news by Irfan Ashraf. Regarding conversion of SAF into another department, it developed new rumors in the market and all where in the internet, especially in the social media, that people should go to Portugal or should not go to Portugal. Might be immigration became much difficult, and some people in YouTube they were very harsh and they told that Portugal finished immigration without any evidence, and this is the actually scenario going on because news people give breaking news without authenticity, without watching the website, just to get the views, just to get the subscriber. I would like to elaborate. I think it's very necessary, it's very essential to guide genuine people what is actually happening and what is the current status of immigration department of SAF, because you know immigration department of SAP, all body knows, is going to finish on 29th of October, and it will change into another department, AIMA. Now question is that we should go to Portugal or not. The people who are planning to go to Portugal and they want to settle in Portugal, they want to get immigration, they must go to Portugal or they should not go to Portugal. This is the main question, and this question is developing day by day, and I have to give answer in this clip, in this scenario. Number one, Portugal is not going to finish immigration. Reason, Portugal need overseas people for the growth of the country. 50% to 70% economic growth of the Portugal depends upon overseas people. Overseas people go there, they work there, they increase the economy of the Portugal. Portugal citizens, they don't stay in Portugal because they have option of moving to Schengen countries, because when you have Portugal passport you can move to any Schengen country. When you will move to Schengen country, they are able to get a good salary there. For example, in Switzerland they are taking almost 200 2000 to 2500 2,000 to 2500 euro per month. So therefore they don't need to stay in Portugal where average salary almost 800 euro. So if the overseas people will not go to Portugal, the Portugal will be in crisis. So they are not going to finish immigration. Number one. Number two, they are just changing department. They did not finish department. Interconversion. And it's normal thing. If you see Canadian immigration, if you see Australian immigration, daily they are changing their programs, and we are announcing in news that Alberta program changed, the Brunswick program province has been changed.